Exercise 5G. This exercise is about factorization, simple factorization. So different terms are given. For example, in question number A part, 4x plus 12. So you can solve this question by taking 4 as a common number. You have to select a number, the highest number, which is divisible on both factors. For example, you can take 4. 4 is divisible on 4x also, and 4 is divisible on 12 also. So you can take 4 outside the bracket. Then inside the bracket, you can see here, from the first term 4x, 4 is already outside, so here only x is left. And in the second term 12, already 4 we are taking outside, so 4, how many times 12? It is 3, so you can write here 3. Otherwise, for your convenience, you can divide 12 by 4. Your answer is 3, so you can write only your answer here. Similarly, in the first term 4x, when you will divide 4x by 4, your answer is x only, so you can write your answer inside. Now part B, 6x minus 18. There is a number, or you can say there is a table which is divisible on both numbers, and you have to select the biggest or the highest table. For example, 6. You can take 2 also. 2 is divisible on 6x. 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18. But I will not select 2 because you have to select the highest table, highest number, you can say. You have to select the highest number which is divisible on both terms. So 6 is the highest number. Actually, this highest number is the HCF of both terms. The HCF of 6 and 18 is 6. So the highest common factor of 6 and 18 is 6. So you will take 6 outside, and then inside the bracket you will write x minus 3. So again you can see here 6x you can divide by 6, your answer is only x. 18 you can divide by 6, your answer is 3 here. Otherwise, in other words, you can say like this: 6, how many times 6? 6 ones are 6. You can write 1, and if you're not writing, that is also correct. Now 6, how many times 18? 6 3 times 18. That's why you're writing 3 here. That's it. Now the second C part, minus 10x plus 25. Here there is a table which is divisible on both. The highest table is 5. You can say the highest common factor of 10 and 25 is 5. That's why I'm taking 5 outside. So inside the bracket you will see 5, how many times 10x? So minus 2x is left here. 5, how many times 25? 5 5s are 25. That's it. Now again 16 minus 24x. Here the HCF of 16 and 24 is 8. That's why I'm taking 8 outside. Then inside the bracket you will write 8, how many times 16? 8 2s are 16. You will write 2 here. Then 8, how many times 24? 8 3s are x. So you will write 3x. In the second question also, the method is same. 3a plus 6ax minus 9az. Only the difference in this question, we have 3 terms here. So again there is a number which is common between all these 3 terms. So first of all, in the numbers we have 3, 6 and 9. The HCF of 3, 6 and 9 you can find by prime factorization method. Otherwise, you can say that which number is divisible on all these 3 terms. There is only one number which is 3. 3 is divisible on 3, 3 is divisible on 6, 3 is also divisible on 9. That's why I'm taking 3 outside. Now, in all these terms, there is also another variable which is common. So, for example, a is in first term, a is also in second term, a is also in third term. So, you can write a also outside. So, 3a is the common number between all these three terms. So, inside the bracket 3a, if you will compare with first term, 3a is already outside, so only 1 is left. In other words, when you will divide 3a by 3a, both terms will be cancelled and only one term, 1 is left. Now, 3 how many times 6? 3 2s are 6. A is already outside, so x is left. So 2x is left. Minus. The signs will remain as it is. If you are changing the sign here, your answer will be wrong. You will take the same signs. Plus as it is and minus as it is. Now, 3a. 3a. 3 how many times 9? 3 3s are 9. A is already common, so you will not write A again, and then Z as it is. And the last question, 4x plus 8y plus 16z. Again, there is a number which is divisible on 4, on 8, and on 16. The highest common number, or you can say highest common table, is 4. So you are taking 4 outside, and in the variables x, y, z, these are three different variables, so no variable is common. So only 4 you are taking common. Inside the bracket, only x plus 2y plus 4z is left. You can solve all the other questions by the same way. And then our next exercise is exercise 5H. Again, the question is factorize. Part D, I will explain. Hardly 2-3 questions here because the whole exercise is on the same pattern. Part D. So 6h into 3x plus 5y plus 3x plus 5y. Now here, which number is the common between these two terms? You can see here 3x plus 5y here and 3x plus 5y here also in second term. So in first term and in second term only one term is common, which is 3x plus 5y. You will consider 3x plus 5y as the whole number. So 3x plus 5y is common. So inside the bracket 6h is left, and plus here no term is given. For your convenience you can write 1 also. So plus 1 is left. So in part E, it is also on the same pattern. Z minus 3 is coming here. Z minus 3 is also here. So Z minus 3 is common. So you can take Z minus 3 common, and inside the bracket 3k minus h is left. And then question number 2. X into 2a plus b plus 3y, b plus 2a. Again, in these two terms, one number is common. For example, 2a plus b and b plus 2a. Actually, b plus 2a equals to 2a plus b. Both terms are same. You can write b plus 2a in the next step, like 2a plus b. So in the next step, again 2a plus b is in the first term. It is also in the second term, which is, it means it is common. So you can write 2a plus b outside the bracket, and inside the bracket only x is left here, and in the second expression only 3y is left. Now in question number 3, I'm explaining only this question. So here 3x multiplied by 2a plus 3b minus 4c minus 2y into 2a plus 3b minus 4c. Again, this whole factor 2a plus 3b minus 4c is common between these two terms. So you will take 2a plus 3b minus 4c common, and then inside the bracket 3x minus 2y is left. So you can solve all the other questions by the same way. Thanks for watching the video.